Hello, good evening. Hi, good evening. So, I am teacher Rowena and I am from Philippines. How about you? What is your name?
My name is Simon He. I'm 16 years old. I'm from Vietnam.
How old are you again?
My name is Simon. My name is Simon He. I'm 16 years old.
Oh,
I'm from
you're
Vietnam.
okay, so you're 16 years old. Okay. So how do you pronounce your name? Linbu?
No, Simon He.
What?
Simon He.
Find my who?
Simon
Who? Oh, Fan Min who?
He. Yes.
Okay. So hi Fan Min who? Okay, so it's nice to see you today. So this is our trial class. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to learn about Let's Video Chat. So that is our lesson for today.
Okay.
Okay, so from the words, we have download, chat, profile, and video. You're going to construct a sentence about how do you know. Okay, so for the warm up, okay, we have here. So what have you observed? What logo is this? There's two pictures.
I don't.
You don't know? Okay, so there's a question here. Do you communicate with your classmates and friends on QQ or WeChat? Okay, so this two logo here, the left side, this one, this is what do we call QQ.
Oh,
And this one is WeChat. Okay, so do you familiar with this? Do you use
uh,
this?
I communicate with my classmate and my friend is Messenger, Yellow, Facebook.
So do you have these two apps?
What?
There's QQ and WeChat. Do you have
Ah,
this on your phone?
no.
No. Okay, so
Yes.
this is the picture of QQ. And this is for the WeChat. Okay, I think it's just like the same that you can send messages, you can call, what else? Send some files like this. Um, yes. Okay, so what type of app did you use to communicate?
Uh, I communicate with my friend
What?
and teacher. What again? Question.
Um,
Uh,
what application did you use to communicate? For
um,
example, Messenger.
I use
Do you have
Messenger.
Messenger?
Yes.
Yes. How about Telegram.
Yes.
Yes. What else?
Yellow.
Yellow. Oh, that yellow is an app?
Yes.
Yes. How about WhatsApp? Do you have WhatsApp? No.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
So all of
I
those again?
I have a WhatsApp nhưng mà I sometimes use WhatsApp.
Oh, so you use sometimes a WhatsApp?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So just like this, the QQ app and WeChat is just like a Telegram that you can communicate, call, send messages, files. So it is just the same with different communication. But you're not familiar with this WeChat? No. Okay. So let's proceed. Okay, so let's proceed for our vocabulary. Okay, can you read this one? Download.
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 Okay, again. Down.
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 Download.
Okay. So what do we mean by download? It is click on the icon to download the app. Okay, can you read it?
Click on the icon to download the app.
Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, this one. You can see it in computer when you download some files. So this is how it looks like. Are you familiar with this?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So this is the icon of the download. Okay, so we have here which one shows download? Is it picture 1 or picture 2? As you can see in the picture, the arrow of that one is the arrow points down.
Okay.
So which pictures show that download?
Picture 2.
Okay, it's picture 2. Yes, very good. Okay, so let's proceed to the next word. We have chat.
Chat.
Okay, again, chat.
Chat.
Okay, he is chatting with his friend on his phone. Okay, can you read? Okay, continue.
He is chatting with his friend on his phone.
Yes, okay. So for example of this here in picture, there is a conversation between his friend. So how about you? Do you experience having a chat? Or do you chat person?
I chatting with my friend.
With your? Okay, so that do we call chat?
Yeah.
Okay, so for the picture, which picture shows people chatting? Is it picture 1 or picture 2?
Picture 2.
Picture 2, are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. So this picture shows that people chatting is picture number. What picture?
Two.
Okay, it's picture number 2. It's like they have a conversation with her friends. Okay, so again, what is our first vocabulary?
Download.
Okay, yes, it's download. The second one is,
Chat.
okay, chat. Okay, so let's proceed to the third vocabulary. We have the word profile.
Profile.
Again, profile.
Profile.
Okay, read this one. Jane uses
Jane uses a photo of two toys as her profile picture on WeChat.
Okay, so Jane uses a photo of two toys as her profile picture on WeChat. So as you can see here in the picture, so they use profile. So what do we mean by profile? That is the a picture that you would put on your profile picture. Example, in your what app do you have to communicate?
Facebook.
Facebook, yeah. So in Facebook, you will put your profile picture. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. So we're going to choose our profile to put in our Facebook. Yes. For example of this is Jane put her profile on WeChat. Okay. So which one shows Timmy's profile picture?
Yeah, number 2.
Okay, it's picture number 2. Okay, that's good. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, can you read the word video?
Video.
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 Okay, can you read the sentence? The man.
The man is having a video chat with his sister.
Okay, so as you can see in the sentence, the man is having a video chat with his sister. So as you can see here in the picture. Okay, also of what we are doing today, so we are having a video chat. Do you know what is video chat?
It it called
Mm-hmm.
called
So what do we mean by video chat is like it's just the same that what we are doing today. We are having some video chat. It is applicable in different places, anywhere or anytime. So you can use it in Messenger when you contact or call your mother, so you have a video chat. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so again, let's review. So what is the first vocabulary we have?
Download. Download.
Yes, download. So what is the icon of download?
Yeah.
Okay, the arrow points at down. Okay, the next word we have?
Chat.
Yes, chat. Okay, what is the use of chat?
I use Messenger.
Yes, use chat to communicate. And the third one is?
Profile.
Yes, profile. So when do we use profile?
Profile.
We use
I
profile
use
or we put
profile.
profile
Put
picture
on.
of our Facebook and WeChat. Okay, for the fourth vocabulary.
Video.
Okay, video. So the video is also a mode of communication that you can see of the people you are talking to. Okay.
Okay.
For this, which one shows a video chat? Is it picture number one or picture number two?
Number one.
Yes, correct. It's picture number one because they're having a FaceTime with her friends. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so we are now here in the sentence pattern. So how do you know we use WeChat in China? Oh, by the way, you use WeChat in Vietnam?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so now let's going to construct a sentence that we are having a chat. Okay, so we have here, how do you know we use WeChat in China? Okay, Jimmy, is it Jimmy? Okay, I saw Jimmy chatting with his Chinese friends. Okay, so in China, they use WeChat to chat with their friends. The WeChat is just like, it's the same with the Messenger, Telegram, WhatsApp, that you can chat with your friends. Okay, how about this one? In this picture.
Names.
What? The girl. The girl is?
Name.
Yes, dance. She is dancing a ballet.
Yes.
So this is Linda. So Linda dance well. Okay, I will write it here.
How do you know?
Okay, can you read this one? Linda dance well.
Lina dance well.
And her friend replied, I saw her dance once. So they saw Linda dance once. Okay, so let's proceed. So let's have a talk. So we're going to read a story. Okay, so can you read that one? Timmy and Xiaowang are
Timmy
chatting on WeChat.
Timmy and Xiaowang are chatting on WeChat.
Okay, so who are the two guys? It is Timmy and Xiaowang. Yes. So what they are doing?
They are chatting
Okay, so they are chatting on WeChat. Yes. Okay, so we're going to have a conversation. So you're going to be Timmy and I'm going to be Xiaowang. Okay? Okay. Okay, so my turn. Hi, Timmy. I am so surprised to see you here.
Haha, now we can talk on WeChat. I just finished downloading the app.
Okay, how do you read this one? The highlight word? Downloading.
Downloading.
Okay, downloading the app. Okay, so
Downloading the app.
Timmy told Xiaowang that they are surprised that Xiaowang is in the WeChat. Why? Why do you think that Timmy surprised that Xiaowang? Oh no, it's Xiaowang. Ah yeah, it's Timmy. Sorry. What do you think that Timmy is surprised that Xiaowang is here in the WeChat?
Surprise.
Why? Because Xiaowang.
Because our surprise.
Oh no, it's because Timmy download the what app did he download? What app? It's the app WeChat. What did Timmy download again?
Because Timmy download
Okay,
the
so
app WeChat.
Timmy download a WeChat app. What am I said earlier that you are Timmy and I am Xiaowang? Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So it's your turn first, this one. This is Xiaowang. Okay, read this one. How do you know?
How do you know we use WeChat in China?
China.
China. And how do you know my ID?
Okay. I saw Jimmy chatting with his Chinese friends. Then I guess your username was your phone number. Okay. So Xiaowang asked to Timmy that how did he know the her ID. Her ID in the WeChat app. So Shawang replied that, Timmy replied that he saw Jimmy chatting with his Chinese friends. Then I guess your username was your phone number. Okay, so the phone number that we use, that is our username. It's just like the same with you. Your phone number?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Your turn.
Haha. You are so clever.
Clever.
Clever. And your profile picture is so cool. Where did you get that custom?
Okay. My uncle gave it to me. He also taught me how to do magic tricks. Okay, so Shawang, excuse me. So Shawang are making laugh to Timmy because he is clever. And he put some profile picture on his WeChat. That is so cool. So where is the profile picture of Timmy? What is the profile picture of Timmy?
Profile Timmy. My uncle gave it to me. They also taught me how to do magic tricks.
Okay, so Timmy put some profile picture on her WeChat app. So I think this is the profile picture of Timmy. Okay, wait. Yes. So this is the profile picture of Timmy, this one. Okay, next. It's your turn.
So you use magic to get my ID.
Yes. And now I will magically appear on your phone. Let's video chat. Okay, so Timmy wants to have a video chat with Shawang. Okay, so they use the WeChat to have a video chat. Okay, so what else did Timmy put on her WeChat app? He put some profile. Yes, profile picture. But first, he downloaded the app, and then he chat to Shawang, and then he put some profile picture, and then he wants to video chat with Shawang. Okay. I think it's already time. So we will continue our class. I hope I will see you again.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.